Okay, so it's 9:08 in the morning, and Deer woke up ready to fight. So we're just gonna let Dog out and see what happens. Which I kind of feel like, according to my calculations. Wake up! Time to wake up! Get out of the prison cell, come on! The wild dog is sleeping. Just gotta make sure that she's alive first. Come on, let's go, come on. There's like food all over the floor. Why'd you get food all over the floor? Deer's waiting to fight you outside. Yeah, I know, he's kind of like weird and stuff, but like, bro, he's waiting to fight you. Come on, get up. What are you doing? Come on. Wake up! Get up! I know that you're awake, but get up now. If you don't get up, too bad. Sorry, dear. She didn't want to fight.